Students, good morning. So today's class median. Last 2-3 weeks mean and mode completed. Okay, now median. What is median? It is middle value. Middle. That is median, right? We already learned in 7th standard. 8th standard, 9th standard. Median of discrete series or raw data. Okay. For example, for raw data formula n plus 1 by 2 to 2. N plus 1 by 2 to 2. Okay. For example, it is for raw data. Or discrete series. For example, 8, 7, 5, 9, 11, 13, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. One more. 6. 6, 8, 7, 5, 9, 11, 13, 2, 1. Okay, number of observations 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Number of observation 9. N is equal to 9. N is equal to 9. So what is median? Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 to 2. N plus 1 by 2 to 2. What is n value? 9. What is n value? 9. So median is equal to n. What is n value? 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 to 2. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2, 5th. 5th term in ascending order. 5th term in ascending order. Okay, don't write the 5th term in the given data. So you want to write the ascending order. What is ascending order? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yes, correct. In this ascending order, you can write ascending order, descending order, no problem. Any one order. So 2, 4, 5. It is fifth term. So median is equal to 7. Median is equal to 7. Okay. So don't write as 5 and don't choose the middle term from the given data. From the given data 2, 4, 5. The fifth term is 9, but it is not in median. Okay. So we can write in ascending order or descending order. We can choose the middle term from ascending order or descending order. Okay. So this is ascending order. Suppose if you write in descending order, it's no problem. Descending order first term 13, second term, third term, fourth term, again fifth term 7 only. So median is equal to 7. If n is odd number means okay. Suppose n is even. N is even. For example, you have one more term here. 4. For another one example. 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 1. 2, 4, 6 terms are there. 6 terms. What is number of observation? 6. N is equal to 6. Now n is even number. Okay, first how to write in ascending order? What is ascending order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is ascending order. Okay. Now n is even number. N is even number. So median is equal to 6 plus 1 by 2 to 2. 6 plus 1 by 2 to 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2, 3.5. We cannot write the 3.5th term. 3.5 term, we cannot write it. Okay. So now median is equal to the 3 point lie between 4 and 5. Sorry, 3 and 4. The 3.5 lie between 3 and 4. So third term plus fourth term divided by 2. Third term plus fourth term divided by 2. Okay, what is third term here? 1, 2, 3. Third term 3. Fourth term 4. Okay, here fourth term 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 2, 3.5. 3.5 is answer. Suppose if number is varying, this answer will be some other number. Okay, so it is yearly class median. If n is for discrete series or odd data. If n is odd number, n plus 1 by 2 to term. If n is even number, n plus 1 by 2 to term, then suppose it is 5.5 means 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. Here 3.5. So wrote as third term plus fourth term divided by 2. Okay. So third term from ascending order, fourth term from ascending order. So median is equal to 3.5. Median is equal to 3.5. Example, find the median. It is also one of the grouped data, but it is not a class interval. Okay. Marks obtained. 20 marks, 6 students getting. Okay, 6 students getting 20 marks. 25 marks, 20 students. 28 marks, 24 students. 29 marks, 9 students. 33 marks, 11 students. 38 marks, 30 students. Okay, we want to find the median. For raw data, you can use the n plus 1 by 2 term. Okay, right. Here, same n by 2 term, same n by 2 term. First you write that 20, 25, it is marks. The number of students assume as frequency. Number of students assume as frequency. Frequency 25, 28, 29, 33, 38. Okay. Next you want to find cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Marks. The given number of students assume as frequency. It is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Okay. First you find the total number of frequency. 6, 10, 19, 20. 0. Remainder 2. 5, 6, 8, 10. 100. Okay. Next you find the cumulative frequency. Very easiest one. The first frequency you take it as 6. Cumulative frequency. Now we want to find the less than cumulative frequency. For example, if less than 20 marks, how many students? 20 marks, how many students here? 6 students. 20 marks, how many students? 6 students. Okay. Next, 25 or less than 25, how many students? 25 or less than 25, how many students? 25, 20 students. So less than 25 means the 20 also less than 25. So here how many students? 6. So 6 plus 20, 26. It is less than cumulative frequency. 6 plus 20, 26. The next 26 plus 24, 50. 26 plus 24, it is less than cumulative frequency. What meaning? But 28 mark is not the meaning. But 20 mark na 25 marks na 20 members irukanga. 25 or 25 kilo ullavanga yarna and 20 mark ullavanga adha varuvaanga. So only we added 26. Now 28 marks and less than 28 marks stand up. So the 28 marks we want to stand up. Then 25 also we want stand and 20 also we want stand. Okay, up to 25 you find it. 26 plus 24, 50. Then 50 plus 9, 59. Then 59 plus 11. 59 plus 11, 70. 70 plus 100. Sorry, 70 plus 30, 100. 70 plus 30, 100. Okay. The last class cumulative frequency, total number of frequency must be equal. You check it. 100, 100. Right. Now, total frequency 100. Now, what is n by 2? N is 100. N is 100. So, n by 2, 50. N by 2, 50. Okay. N by 2, what is that? 50. So, you choose the 50 from this class in the cumulative frequency. Where is 50? It is 50. So, it is median class. So, median is equal to 28. Median is equal to 28. Okay, that's all. Suppose, for example, this question answer over. Suppose some change. N is 110. What is N? 110. 110. N by 2, what is that? 55. Where is 55 here? Accurate 50. So the median 28 right printed. Now 55. But if we don't have 55, where is 55? In between 50 and 59. In between 50 and 59. Now what is median? Now we cannot choose this one. Now what is median? 29. Now what is median? 29. Why? Actually, 55 na 55th term. 55th term. What is that? 55th term ena varum. 58th term 28 ah irukku. Appo next 9 marks 29 தானே. அப்ப 51th term 29, 52th term 29, 53rd term 29, 54th term 29, 55th term 29, 56th term 29, 57th term 29, 58th term 29, up to 59th term 29. Now 55th term median. So where is 55th term? 29. So that is median. That is median. Okay, va? Right. Median of grouped data formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Last mode formula பார்த்திருக்கோம். L plus bracket F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So median mode formula confuse ஆகக்கூடாது. Okay. So L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L? Lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. And in mode also L is model class. L is a lower limit of model class. Now L is lower limit of median class. So median class I will explain. N, number of observation, the total number of frequency F, the total number of frequency N, small n. CF, cumulative frequency. CF na cumulative frequency. Now we have many cumulative frequency, but each class interval we have some cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, preceding previous median class ku previous ah ulla cumulative frequency. We can choose any one class out of 5 or 6, whatever given. We can choose one median class. Okay, so cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. Our median class ke previous ah ulla cumulative frequency. F, frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Okay. H, class size. H, class size. Assuming class size be equal. Ella class size eppadi irukanum? Equal ah irukanum. Okay, right. Exercise 14.3 first sum. Okay, question you refer from your book. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Okay, here given mean median more want to find, but now I will find only median. Okay, right. First you have to write the formula median. L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L? Lower limit of median class. N by 2, n is number of observation. CF cumulative frequency of preceding of the median class. F frequency of median class. H class size. Right. You make one table. CI F CF. What is CF? Cumulative frequency. What is CF? Cumulative frequency. First 65 to 85, 85 to 100, 100 to 125, sorry, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 200, 205. Consumers. The number of consumers assumes frequency. 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. 8, 4. Okay. Now listen. Cumulative frequency. First class in the cumulative frequency same. 4. Next 4 plus 5. 9. 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13. 22. இப்போ நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறேன். Less than 85 units 4 members. Okay. Less than 105 members. So less than 105 units means this also included here. 65 to 105. What is the meaning? 65 to 105. So 4 plus 5 9. Below 125 means 65 to 125. 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 3 22. 22 plus 20 42. 42 plus 14 56. 56 plus 8 64. 64 plus 4 68. So total number of frequencies also given 68 in book given. So they are equal. The total number of frequency last class cumulative frequency must be equal, right? Now you choose the median class. Okay. Median class, how can you choose it? N by 2. What is N? 68. It is N. N equal to 68. By N by 2, 34. N by 2, 34. N by 2, what is that? 34. Where is 34 here? In between 22 and 42. In between 22 and 42. Okay. Here N by 2. N by 2. Okay. Now which is median class? Now which is median class? Listen pa. For 22 consumers எதுல இருப்பாங்க? Less than 25 ல இருப்பாங்க. 125 ல இருப்பாங்க. அப்ப the 34th members எதுல இருப்பாங்க? இந்த இன்டர்வல் தான இருப்பாங்க. Up to 125 22 consumers over. அப்ப 34th consumer where? In 125 to 145. So it is median class. Then ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. N by 2 எங்க சூஸ் பண்ணியோ அதுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் கீழ உள்ளது median class. Okay, it is median class. எப்படி choose பண்றேன் பாரு. Up to 125 22 consumers are there. But 34th consumer where? In 125 to 145. So only choose as median class. Okay, now we need some values. L. What is L? Lower median class. What is L? Lower limit of median class 125. N by 2 value already you know. N by 2 34. N by 2 34. CF cumulative frequency of the preceding of the median class. It is median class. So preceding of previous of the cumulative frequency. What is that? It is CF. It is L. Okay, it is CF. So CF 22. So the CF always less than n by 2. Always less than n by 2. Keep it in mind. Next F. F means frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class. F20. F20. H class size. Assuming class size be equal. What is the class size? Upper limit minus lower limit. 85 minus 65, 20. 20. So class size H is equal to 20. Now find the substitute in the formula. Median is equal to first L value 125 plus n by 2 34 minus CF value 22 divided by F 20 into H 20. Okay, now the 20 cancel. Remind what is it? 125 plus 34 minus 22 12. So answer 137. Median 137. The median always lie between the median class. What is median class? 125 to 145. Median class 125 to 145. 137 ஆகுதுனா பிறகு ரைட். சோ அதே மாதிரி இங்க நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் வராது. நோட் சொன்ன மாதிரி தான். நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் இங்க வராது. only positive. Okay, so median over, once again repeat. First you have to write the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so it is given class intervals. Okay, before you write, you check it continuous or not. 85, 105 yes, continuous. It is given frequency. Want to write the cumulative frequency. 4 plus 5 9 plus 13 4 plus 5 9 plus 13 22 plus 20 42 plus 14 56 plus 8 64 plus 8 68. Okay, next L. Want to choose the median class. N is equal to 68. So you want to find n by 2 value. 68 by 2 34. So 34 எங்க வருது பார்க்கலாம். இது between 22 and 42 க்கு இடையில வருது. So it is the next class is median class. So L is median class, lower limit of median class. F is frequency. C of preceding class cumulative frequency. H class size. Okay, subtract பண்ணிர வேண்டியதா. Okay. Second sum I will explain. Okay. Third sum I also will explain. So you want to choose fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum and eighth sum. Okay, so only enough to obtain median. Median மட்டும் find out பண்ணா போதும். क्वेश्चनல mean, median, mode மூணுமே கேட்டாங்கன்னா no need. Only want to find median. Okay, thank you students.